Afternoon, good evening, good morning, good night, wherever you are, from wherever you are watching. Welcome to Crypto Space. Same line, same zones, but the market has changed. We have gone down almost, you can say 41% from the top, 41%, yeah, that is it. And now from the bottom, we are here, now 20% up. But let's not talk about the profits, but the losses that have been made during the last dip. Because I'm pretty much sure everyone of you wanted to buy here, and then from 69k to 55k, you thought, let's buy here. You waited for 50k, and then when 50k hit, you did not buy. And right now, you are scared as shit. You don't know what to simply do. People are telling you that we will go here. People are telling you we will go here, and someone is telling you we will go to the straight moon. Well, I don't care about it. Just don't see these targets with Fibonacci. Fibonacci, I'm just focusing on this much right now. I'm not seeing the moon bar. I'm not a moon bar. I don't see targets as moon anymore. Being realistic, playing it by the rules. So we are on the weekly chart, but let's go to daily. We are yet to see the weekly closing, and I thought I'd made a video after that, but then since many people needed it, here I am. So you would see I have removed the Elliott waves that I drew because they are no more valid for me. We have got some points, and I don't want to have them working here anymore. Like, I don't see them working here anymore, so I have it removed as per my own rules, I guess. Not gonna explain it. Elliott waves here. It took me a year to understand myself, and I still am not good at it. Can't explain it here well. So, well, coming back to the topic, the Bitcoin chart, we dipped just about 28% or 29% from this point. All right, 31 it is, you can say. So this was the 59,200 zone that was exactly shared with people for the long position that we took from here with the SL here to book profits. I did not say complete profits, I said 75% profits. That's what a good trader does. You always carry a moon bag just in case it keeps going up or it goes down. If it hits the SL, it hits the SL. If it hits the SL at break even, it hits it. But if it goes up, you're not going to regret it. But that doesn't mean you should not book profits. So we book profits here. Unluckily, I couldn't being short on time exactly when everything was going down. I was not even able to see charts, and then we fell this much. Anybody who shorted here would have made huge profits, tremendous amount of profits. But that is in the past. This zone is broken. This zone, I told you, if we don't get the pump from here that we are expecting, we are down again. And we came down. This was the second zone that I was waiting for a pump, and we got the pump. And the very next day, we had the step. And if you see this as just a mere correction and no manipulation at all, think again. I mean, we are all aware this market is controlled by whales, institutions, and whatever you want to call them. I simply don't call them whales or institutions. I simply call them market makers. We have them. We don't have regulations here. They can buy as much as they want. They can sell as much as they want. And don't you think it is quite abnormal for someone to wake up and say, "Yeah, I'm not in the mood of the bull run. I will simply sell here everything, and I will come back after 4 years." No. If you had $1 billion, would you be more fearful or greedy? The answer is yes, greedy. But where would we buy? Here or here? Damn here. Because most of the people have a stop loss here. Stop loss it, stop loss it, stop loss it, stop loss it, and you buy. Now simply everyone is in fear. Nobody is buying this dip even when they were looking out for it to buy. Everybody is asking, should we, should we, should we? Go ahead and buy it. Don't go all in. You have $100, buy worth of 30 here. It goes down, buy worth of 30 here. It goes down, buy worth of 30 here. If it keeps going up, buy worth of 30 on a confirmation. There are simple three thumb rules: breakout, retest, and confirmation. At least two has to be there to take a trade. The same way for investment. Every time it is going down a significant move of most of the altcoins are down 50% or 40%. ADA, DOT, Atom, they are down from their all-time highs, 40%, 30%, 50%. Doge being there also. Doge has a lot of bag holders, and I don't think it is going to pump that soon. If it pumps, it will be crazy. But But if it doesn't, it doesn't. It's going to 0 cents because there is still no utility. They are working on it. They are working on making their own case, fooling around people so that they can still buy everything. And if the pump comes, it is going to be like shit. I'm holding some Doge. During this dip, I bought it. Not $1,000, not $100, but something kind of a moon bag. You know, where you turn your $10 into 100 and you simply are like, yeah, my party money just gave me some more money to party. That's all. That's how you play this place. So right now, the zones you need to look out for BTC. We talked about how you will be seeing R's, but how you will be buying the dip. But for BTC, right now we need to cross this. We need a closing above this line. This zone exactly. This line is quite thick because this was pretty much important for me. The moment we broke down, the moment I saw it breaking down that day, this here, I simply told I'm not buying this dip. There's no point in buying every dip. You have to be, you know, wise enough to understand where you need to buy, where you need to sell. By wise, I don't mean you need to predict the future. It simply means you have to have your own plan. I stopped buying here. I haven't averaged down my, entries here. I did some here, and that's all. Nothing else. I did some here. Like technically, when I was actually buying the dip, averaging down some entries, we were here, but still, yeah, I averaged some here, and I'm still waiting on USDT to buy more if this zone comes in play again. Because if we don't close above this, sooner or later we are going back here. This level. I will mark this here right now for you all to see, so that you are able to see. If this doesn't hold, where are we going next? Well, we need to know that, right? This is why I have said. I mean, I am not just a complete fanboy of fibs. Like I don't use it everywhere. But then when I have to keep my charts simple, when I have to keep my charts, more subtle and realistic, I use fibs. I get the zones I need to play. These are two zones I'm looking at. This is very much possible if no closing above this, which I don't see happening right now until we have a weekend pump for the closing and then we dump. But we need a closing above it. We need to reclaim this. We need to reclaim this and not break this. This is broken. This will come. I'm simply saying it. This is broken. This will come. And every position that I have at break even or at a small loss, I will close it. I won't even fucking care about where the market goes from there. I will close it. I will buy back here or here, but I will close it if I get a closing below this zone. Keep an eye on the lower time frames. I don't specifically always say lower time frames, but lower time frames sometimes matter when we are seeing a move. Like when the weekend pump comes and it closes above it. Look out on 4 hour chart and 3 hour charts and 1 hour chart. How the candle looks. How is the volume? Is it increasing or is it just a fake pump and we are going down again? Short it if it is. How to identify it? You can simply turn on the volume indicator and you can see, like, let's go to daily. I hope it is showing the right value. You see this pump was with 6.758. Are they mad? Alright, understood. Sorry. Understood. Sorry. This was with 8.8k. There is no much significance in the volume. However, the dump was almost of how much percent you can say? 24%. The volume was significantly less for the dump that happened for me. Right now, the zones to look out for is this. I'm looking out on this zone. If you see the dump here, see the dump here. Volume was 21k. How much the dump was? The high was 43, the low was 29. Alright. How much the dump was here? The high was 53, the low was 40. 13k of dump, and we have almost 13k of dump up here again. See the difference in volumes. They speak truth. Like I had to find a correlation so that I can explain things in a shorter time frame because I'm not good at explaining technicals to a larger group of people. I don't know which one would understand which way. So right now what I'm looking at is a closing above it. We reclaim it. We reclaim this zone and we go higher. I'm not I'm not a believer of 100k Bitcoin or anything, but I'm simply saying right now I still think that we are going to see a new all-time high again. And it is not just going to stop at 70k. 250k? No. 80k, very possible. So I play it by the weeks and weeks, and I will be coming up next week with the next video. And right now, two zones to look out for: this, and the third zone being this. I have the charts marked. I will be deleting this because I don't like zones on my BTC chart. I have the lines working just fine. If you want to short, you can see for a short here with a stop loss here, 55k, even 54k will work fine. If you want to short here, you can. However, if we claim this zone, you can simply just go to your alts, chill out, because alts will pump harder. BTC, it will take time. We need consolidation. We won't be working like a spring, like I make this video, I post it, and the next day it is like this. No, we have a top coming, but not very soon. We need some consolidation in this zone. This zone and this zone. We need it. This is also the golden zone of Fibonacci, which is quite a noob thing for traders, right? So I won't be talking about it because most of you know it. Just look out for this zone. We reclaim this. Book your profits on alts. Don't sit tight that they are going to do a 10x. 10x is not possible anymore for everything. For quite a few of them, yes. Everything, no. To know what kind of alts can push up, you can join our Telegram group. Link is in bio. I hope I haven't stressed this video out so far talking, because I like to give out some advices. Also, just to see the dump here, you will also see the total market cap falling by almost 28%, and then going up back again from here to here the next day, that is 24%. All right, something is wrong. Wait, let me do it again. See, this is 28%. This is 19%. Yeah, so we are up 19% right now, almost, you can say. If you want to be precise, you can go here again. But then, yeah, this was a huge dump, pretty huge one, like this one on 7th of September. Well, this was even bigger. And then we have to flush out the leverage positions, because it is so easy for everyone to take out 100x leverage and start a position like, they have a drink in their one hand, and they're simply like, yeah, let's trade. Just because you can trade doesn't mean you have to. Remember this quote. Goodbye. Take care. See you soon. Leaving you with the BTC chart. Let's hope we reclaim this zone soon and we get the pump on ours that we need. See ya. Take care. Goodbye, everyone. Do remember to follow us, subscribe to us, and comment on our videos and give out your views. Criticism is always okay on my videos. Goodbye and take care.